Welcome to Break the Boredom. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Hello, I am Ansh and I'm back with a new video. Today I am presenting a practical use of a pocket-sized computer, also called as a Microbit. Dice boxing is a two-player board game played with a dice and boxing characters. If you have not seen and played the game, please check out my channel, or you can also find the link in the description. I have started to learn simple coding and then I found usage of Microbit in my game. How about replacing physical dice? So let's get started. In this video, I am going to replace the physical dice with digital dice using Microbit. Microbit is a pocket-sized computer for beginners to learn coding. This is the Microbit, the pocket-sized computer. This is the processor. This is a button. This is where you can plug the USB cable. This is where you can plug the battery pack. These are the LEDs. This is the button A. This is button B. Apart from pressing buttons, we can do all kinds of gestures. Shaking, tilting, all kinds of them. So let's make a new project. Go to Home and select New Project. Give a name to your project. Let's make it Dice. Create. Let's start. Let's go to the input and take out on shake. Now let's go to variables and let's make a variable. Let's name it dice. Take out set dice to 0 and put it in on shake. Now go to math and pick random 0 to 10. Nest it in set dice to 0. You can go inside. So in pick random, let's put 1 to 0. 1 to 6. Now we go to the logic and take out if condition. Now let's go to logic and then now let's take comparison and nest it in the true place. Now let's go to the variables and let's take out the rounded edged dice. If dice is equal to 1, then go to basic and take out show LEDs and nest it inside the if condition and put a dot in the center like this. Now we can duplicate it. In your keyboard, press Command C V like this. Now let's put it inside this. So dice is equal to 2. And now we change the logo symbol. Now we do the same thing to dice 3. So we put another dot in the center. Now let's make dice 4. Now we put it here and let's make 4. Let's take all of this out. Put one here, one here, one here, and one here. The next is 5. Then we do this, another extra dot. Now we have to change the things. Now we do the same thing with 6. Delete all of this and put 1, 2, 3 on each side. Now we put 6. Your dice is done. Let's check it out on the simulator. It's changing. Yay, we made our dice. So now go here and in down you can see download and these 3 dots. Press the 3 dots and you will see pair device and download to Microbit. Press pair device. Press pair device. Then you can see this part. Press this and then connect. Once it is connected, press download. It's downloading. Now it's in this Microbit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep coding and of your sauce.